Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and you can see a nice bounce back from yesterday's crash right before, or right as the market opened last night, when you had oil pumping, gold pumping, silver pumping, stocks crashing, crypto crashing. Now they're all bouncing back and reversing today as the market opens, which they often like to do, right? And you can see we're forming a nice consolidation. And after a bunch of rain yesterday on this early spring, and 2 days after a 71 degree high, you can see we've had some light snow now this morning with temperatures in the 20s, and you can see a little bit of snow accumulating there, which the old trading, or not trading rule, the old rule in the great state of Michigan is 3 days after your first 70 degree or higher day in the springtime, which we are in the very beginning of spring now, the first week of March, that it snows within 72 hours, right? And that same rule did indeed apply in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois, even though the major snow and ice of 3 to 6 inches of snow missed us about 30 miles to the northwest. And we were right in that rain to just mix line, but we never did mix over till now this morning, where we could pick up a quarter to maybe localized to half an inch, right? But it is what it is. We've been hit by a lot of snowstorms this year, so this is a normal track that I got accustomed to last year, where it just misses me. But you can see the coins, on the other hand, have come back up to the orange fib circle. And if we can pump above now, you can see in the hour time frame, in the 15-minute, we're getting above it. If we can get above the 200-day where we're at now, you have free and clear run all the way back up here, right? If you can get above that 200-day moving average in the short term, you can come all the way back up to 41,600 or this blue fib circle. And that is possible if you can continue this pump and get above that 200-day moving average, right? If you break down 37,000, your lower support again, and then if you break that, 32,000. But on the way up right now, if you can get above that 200-day, you can come up to 41,000. Same thing with XRP. We bounced again and got back over the 200-day. So right now we're bullish, and if this kind of plays out a little local double bottom right here, you could have a targeted move of something like this, right? Oh, come on. This is going to make it really difficult. From the neckline up, get out of there. And then that would get you all the way up to the top. Look at that, right? Almost to the top of that 80 cents, right? So if we can continue this pump and stay over that 200-day moving average in the 15-minute, you're bullish, right? XLM is the same thing. We got a nice bounce off that 17 cents. And we showed you that it's going to continue to try to keep bouncing, but we got above that 200-day. If we can stay above the 200-day, we can try to make a nice run up, right? Because you have had a lot of heavy sell pressure. And if you continue to hold that 17 cents, you can try to run up to 22 cents, right? That's what we're looking at. Algo is the same thing as XLM. You can see it's almost identical pattern, right? So if you're playing one, you can play the other. They're doing the same thing. And Algo, what you're trying to do is get over this 200-day to maybe make a run up here at 87 cents, right? That's what we've been watching out for the last few days. And that's why we just keep moving this over to current time frame, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.